What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon putting work. And today we got an unboxing of Fambro's digital camera. So let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand, the unboxing of Fambro's digital camera. Okay, so all right, I know you're like, D, what does this have to do with business, right? What does this have to do with making more money? What does this have to do with saving money, all this good stuff, or building a better you, any of that good stuff? How does unboxing a camera have anything to do with any of those topics? Well, let me tell you. Cameras nowadays is needed for your online business if you're going to be a YouTuber. Okay, if you YouTube like me, okay, then this is a must-have for your business, a great or good digital camera. Okay, and if you are in a budget, if you are out here trying to make things happen and you're struggling financially a little bit and you want to make things pop, sometimes you got to find the right thing, or someone got to put you onto the right thing that'll help you build your online business, okay, with YouTube. Now, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so this is what it looks like right here. This right here, okay? This is it. Okay, this is the Fambro digital camera, okay? Video camera, camcorder. Okay, and you get a microphone with it, okay? You get yourself a microphone. You get a digital camera, all right, obviously, and you get what else you get with this? You get a CMOS sensor, okay. Also, it comes fully equipped with everything else, okay. It comes with the batteries, with two batteries, um, and it comes with the case for the digital camera and the little box on the digital camera to actually give you better vision. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox it with the camera that I'm using here, and then at the second part of this video, I'm going to show you what the difference is and what it looks like with the actual camera. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so there you go. It's me unboxing it. Okay, so now you can see what's in it, right? Okay, so that's the plug. Okay, some of the stuff I had to take out. I had to make sure we had everything, right? So the user manual, we got the user's manual. Definitely got, definitely need the user's manual. Got a remote control. There you go. Right. And you can do everything with the remote control. Okay, you can do everything you need to do with the remote control. You can um, record with the remote control. You can take a picture. You can change it to video with the remote control. Turn the volume. Turn on the light. All that good stuff. Okay, now what else we got here? Boom. This is the box like that goes around the camera itself. Like like the camera will be like right here, and then you get the box, and then helps you, I guess, zoom in and all that good stuff and get a really good visual. Right? Visual is everything with camera, right? Microphone. Microphone check 1 2 1 2. Nah, seriously. This is the microphone that goes on top of the camera. Okay, that's so you can get good audio, right? Then we got a battery right here. Okay, it comes with two batteries, by the way. One of the batteries is already in it. Okay, this is the second battery, so that's dope. It doesn't include the SD card. You have to purchase the SD card. That's the only thing I don't like about it. You have to purchase the SD card separately. Okay, so Now here you go. This is the camera. Ooh, I'm gonna drop it. Here goes the camera, right? Boom. See? I got the battery in it already. So there you have it. Okay. Oh, what another great feature is that when you connect it to the computer, it actually becomes like a webcam. You know, it's not just a, a handheld camera anymore. It becomes a webcam. My hands are pretty big, so average size hands for my size. All right, so boom, this is the camera right here. You can, gives you good visual. Flip it around, all that good stuff. Right here, different modes, so you can use it and attach it to your laptop, and it becomes a webcam, or you can say make it a look. This is how it looks now. This is what it's doing right now. It's taping, right? Well, not taping, but you can see everything. Okay, so boom. So now, how you connect the microphone, right? The microphone goes on top right there. Look, this is the top part right here. This right here. This is the top part. Boom. Check it out. Right, spin it down, and now you got the microphone connected. Boom, microphone check 1 2 1 2. It swivels just a slight bit. You turn it on at the top, right? So boom, you can turn it on like that. So that's how you use it. You know what I'm saying? There's the record button right here, back here, so it's really accessible. If you can see that, the record button really accessible. So that's dope. You ain't gotta look for it or nothing like that. All the stuff you need right here. So you got the connection USB, and then the microphone right here. So I guess, right. So there's a wire that's in here, right? Connect it. Go right here, right? Boom. Can you see that connection right there? And then you connect the microphone like that, and now the microphone is connected. See that? Boom. So now you're gonna have good audio quality, which is very important. So now we're gonna put the box on. Okay, this is the first time I'm ever trying this stuff. Okay, so bear with me. Bear with the kid. You know what I'm saying? Ride with me on this. What we doing here? I don't even know how to do this right here. So I'm trying to figure this out with you guys. So we put this portion on. Ooh, yeah, there we go. So I guess you just twist it in. Yeah, there you go. Twist it in. Boom. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we're cooking with grease. Okay. Now we're cooking with grease. So then you add this portion on. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go. It's a little difficult, but I mean not difficult, just a little tedious, I should say. Hold on, it's a little different. That'll be a little easier, but okay. Maybe I should have took the microphone off because you won't get in my way. Oh, let's take this off real quick. Let's take this off. So, okay, so we're gonna take this off. All right, boom. Okay. So we're gonna twist this on. See if it twists on. Does it twist on? I think it doesn't twist on. Okay. Oh, it snaps on. Okay, so it snaps on. Boom, snap on, snap off. You know what I'm saying? So, right. I'm not sure what this part is for, honestly. Yeah, I'm doing it the man way. I'm not. I don't got any directions. Die. Seriously though. This is alright, so boom. Okay, so I spent it on right here. Okay. So now we're gonna twist it back around to the top. Oh, okay. Boom. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Okay. Okay. So okay. There we go. Locked in, loaded. Oh, looking real professional. Looking real professional. Okay. You see it? You see that? You see that? Yeah. Yeah. I like that. I like that. You know? I like that. So we're gonna hook this up, right? We're gonna hook it up to the laptop. Boom. And we're gonna see how it records. Because I don't have an SD card. Okay, like I said, you gotta get the SD card to be able to tape without it. Okay, so stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see the quality if it's different from the Nexigo. I think that's what's called Nexigo. I have a Nexigo camera for my laptop, as you know, so my webcam, that's what I record with right now. But I have a lot of technical difficulties with it, and some of the camera, some of the quality just wasn't working out. So we purchased this. All right, so we're gonna see the difference. All right, so bear with me. I'll be right back. All right, so this is the camera right here. This is the camera that we're using, the Fambro camera. All right. I wonder if you guys can see a difference in quality. If you like the difference in quality, does it work for you? Is it something that you want me to shoot the videos with? I'm gonna shoot the rest of my videos with this camera. Okay, so I'm gonna see basically if you guys enjoy this camera more. Yeah, so this is the camera right here. All right, so basically the description of the camera, the digital video camera supports 24 megapixels resolution ratio of image, 1080p resolution ratio of video, 16x digital zoom, built-in fill light, anti-shaking, face capture, beauty function, self-timer, webcam function, as I'm using right now, the pause function, the USB 2.0, and so on, okay? Webcam and with microphone. Okay, the YouTube digital camera can be used as a webcam. You can make a video call with your families or friends when you use the computer. Additionally, the digital camera supports external microphone with 3.5 jack for clear audio recording. You have the pause function, the portable video camera with pause function, a good choice for YouTube and blogging. You don't need to restart the new file. You can continue recording in the same file. Then you can download the video to your computer through a USB cable and edit the video and upload to YouTube, Facebook, etc. Okay, recording while charging and video recording. Okay, this vlog camera supports recording while charging and also comes with two 800 millimeter batteries, and this video camera also has night vision function. The camera can capture high definition images and videos, and it works perfectly in the dark. Okay, so it's also lightweight, easy to carry and store, as I showed you before. Okay, and it comes with its own bag. Is that it? Now let's get into the price. The price, oh man, the price is very, very, very affordable. It's right now it's only $74.68. The actual regular price was $96.99. So it's really under $100. Okay, so come on, you can't really beat that when it comes to cameras. Okay, and plus you can carry it around with you. You can do a lot of multiple things with it. Okay, I'm gonna shoot more outside videos with this camera. I'm gonna do a lot more things with this camera once I get the SD card situation, okay, set up and everything. But yeah, it's gonna definitely bring the value of my videos up a little bit, and I'm be a little bit more mobile and a little bit more vlogging style when it comes with the Wealth Builders movement and what we doing and how we doing it out here in these Wealth Builder streets. You know what I'm saying? When we're gonna go on our real estate um, vibe and start doing some showings and things like that, this video camera is gonna be definitely one of my useful, handy handy tools. All right, so thanks for watching. If you want to purchase this video camera, or if you just want to check it out a little bit more in detail, the link in the description. Okay, go ahead. And yes, I do get a commission if you do purchase through my link. Okay, so thanks for supporting the Wealthbuilderz movement in advance. Also, get your free ebook, The Wealthbuilderz Guide to Passive Income, okay, where I show you how to make passive income. That's so you can start making money in your sleep. All right, with all that being said, again, thanks for watching. Thanks for being down with the Wealthbuilderz movement. Until next time, it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Puddingwork Burke, signing off for my unboxing of the Fambro digital full HD camera. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealthbuilderz, baby.